Every left-handed hunter has been told the same lie for decades. A left-handed rifle is just a right-handed rifle with the parts flipped. An afterthought bolted together to check a box. That is not true anymore, and the manufacturers who profited from that lie do not want you to know how far the technology has actually come. Somewhere on this list sits a rifle that does not even have a fixed handedness at all, and it can switch sides faster than you can reload a magazine. Let's get into it. Number 7 on this list is the Rock River Arms LAR-15 LEF-T. This platform matters because it solves a problem that has plagued left-handed shooters on the AR platform since the rifle's inception. Standard modern sporting rifles eject spent brass to the right, throwing hot casings directly across a southpaw shooter's face with every single shot. Rock River Arms addressed this by reversing the entire upper receiver architecture instead of bolting on a half measure. Here is the engineering decision that changed everything. The upper receiver is fully mirrored, not modified. That means the ejection port, the dust cover, and the forward assist all sit on the left side of the firearm, and the bolt carrier assembly itself is reversed. Spent casings exit at a 4 o'clock angle, moving away from the shooter instead of across the line of sight. Chambered in 223 Remington and 5.56 NATO, the LEF-T weighs 6.8 to 7.8 pounds and comes with barrel lengths from 16 to 20 inches. Compare that to a standard mirrored AR upper, which often adds cost without correcting bolt carrier direction, and the LEF-T's fully reversed internals stand out. The trade-off is availability. Left eject uppers are harder to find on the aftermarket if a shooter wants to build rather than buy complete. This rifle suits the predator hunter, who needs fast, semi-automatic follow-up shots without brass in the face. Next on the list, a rifle whose bolt corrects its own alignment before you even pull the trigger. Number 6 on this list is the Savage Model 110 LH series. This rifle matters because Savage has built the deepest left-handed catalog in the entire industry, spanning nearly every price tier and cartridge option available to hunters today. Where other manufacturers treat southpaw shooters as an afterthought, Savage built an entire ecosystem around them. The Model 110 traces back decades as one of the most widely adopted budget precision platforms in American hunting, and the modern LH series carries that reputation into 2026, with real factory refinement. Savage did not simply mirror an existing action. The company re-engineered the bolt mechanism itself to solve a tolerance problem most shooters never think about. Here is what most people miss about this gun. The bolt head floats independently from the bolt body. That means the locking lugs self-center against the barrel extension lugs every time the action closes, quietly correcting for minor manufacturing tolerances that would otherwise cause uneven lockup. This single design choice improves accuracy consistency without requiring the shooter to do anything differently. The 110 LH weighs between 5.8 and 7.5 pounds, depending on configuration, with barrel lengths from 20 to 24 inches. Savage's AccuFit stock system includes 5 interchangeable comb heights and 4 length of pull spacers, enabling southpaw hunters to tailor the interface to match their torso length, neck geometry, and optic height. Its user-adjustable AccuTrigger provides a crisp pull while guarding against accidental discharge if jarred or dropped. The trade-off here is weight variance. Some 110 configurations run heavier than dedicated mountain rifles, so hunters chasing the lightest possible carry weight may need to select carefully within the lineup. This rifle suits the hunter who wants deep caliber and configuration options without being locked into one factory build. Next on the list, a rifle that trims weight using a stock built with the same manufacturing techniques found in the aerospace industry. Number 5 on this list is the Christensen Arms Mesa FFT LH. This rifle matters because mountain hunters live and die by ounces, and Christensen Arms built this platform specifically for the shooter who counts weight before they count dollars. Every gram removed from the stock is a gram less to carry across miles of steep terrain during a backcountry stalk. Christensen Arms built its reputation on aerospace-grade composite manufacturing, and the Mesa LEF-T brings that background directly into a hunting rifle designed from the ground up for left-handed shooters. The company did not adapt an existing frame. Engineers built a true left-handed receiver machined from stainless steel specifically for this platform. Here is the engineering decision that changed everything. The stock uses flash-forged technology, LEF-T, a carbon fiber process that increases directional rigidity while cutting mass compared to standard fiberglass or wood laminate stocks. Combined with a skeletonized bolt handle, this construction method removes weight exactly where it matters most, without sacrificing the torsional strength a hunting rifle needs under recoil. The Mesa LEF-T LH weighs 6 to 6.5 pounds, roughly half a pound lighter than the Savage 110 LH covered a moment ago. Barrel length runs 20 to 22 inches depending on chambering, with options spanning 6.5 Creedmoor up through 300 Winchester Magnum. The button-rifled stainless barrel wears a radial muzzle brake and a tungsten gray Cerakote finish for corrosion resistance in wet mountain conditions. The trade-off is price. Carbon fiber construction and aerospace manufacturing techniques push this rifle above budget-tier competitors, and that cost only makes sense for hunters who genuinely need the weight savings. This rifle suits the backcountry hunter chasing elevation over convenience. Next on the list, a rifle that proves premium features do not always require a premium price tag. Number 4 on this list is the Ruger American Rifle Generation 2 LH. This rifle matters because it delivers sub-MOA accuracy and genuine factory refinement at a price point that undercuts nearly every other platform on this list. Ruger built its reputation on making precision accessible, and the Generation 2 LH continues that mission, for left-handed shooters specifically. Ruger expanded its budget-friendly, high-accuracy architecture with this generation, rolling out comprehensive left-handed availability across its standard, ranch, and predator model lines. The Gen 2 receiver is built around a mirrored 3-lug stainless steel bolt that cycles through a fast 70-degree throw, shorter than traditional 90-degree bolt guns. Here is what most people miss about this gun. The 3-position tang safety sits directly on the receiver spine rather than on the side of the action. That placement allows a left-handed shooter to operate it intuitively, with the same thumb motion a right-handed shooter would use, including the ability to unload the chamber safely while the safety stays engaged. The Gen 2 LH weighs 6 to 6.6 pounds, with barrel length spanning 16.1 inches on the compact ranch models, up to 22 inches on standard configurations. Compare that price range against the Tikka T3X Lite, covered later in this list, and the Gen 2 undercuts it by several $100s, while still delivering Ruger's power bedding, integral bedding block system. That system anchors the receiver and free floats the barrel, working alongside the adjustable Ruger Marksman trigger to produce consistent sub-MOA groups. The trade-off is fit and finish. This rifle does not carry the same premium stock materials or hand-fitted feel found on higher-priced competitors, and hunters who prioritize refinement over value may want to look elsewhere. This rifle suits the hunter who wants proven accuracy without paying a premium name tax. Next on the list, a rifle factory tested to a standard most manufacturers will not put in writing. Number 3 on this list is the Tikka T3X Lite and Lite Roughtech LH. This rifle matters because it has stood as the benchmark for left-handed bolt-action precision for over a decade, engineered by Sako in Finland, to a manufacturing standard most competitors still chase. Where other brands treat left-handed models as a secondary product line, Tikka built the T3X around a dedicated mirrored receiver from the start. The T3X uses a widened, angular ejection port specifically shaped to throw spent cases clear of a left-handed shooter's line of sight. This is not a modified right-handed port. It is a purpose-built geometry designed around the mechanics of southpaw shooting from the very first prototype. Here is what most people miss about this gun. Every single T3X is factory tested to shoot 3 shot groups under 1 inch at 100 yards before it ever leaves the production line. That is not a marketing claim. It is a mandatory quality checkpoint applied to every rifle, and it is one of the few factory accuracy guarantees backed by testing on each individual unit rather than a sample batch. The T3X Lite weighs 6.4 to 6.8 pounds, putting it right in line with the Christensen Mesa covered earlier, though the Tikka achieves that weight through a synthetic stock rather than carbon fiber. Chamberings span 243 Winchester up through 300 Winchester Magnum, and the 2 lug spring-loaded plunger ejector bolt cycles with noticeably less binding than the 3 lug Ruger action covered previously. The single-stage trigger adjusts from 2 to 4 pounds with 0 perceptible creep. The trade-off is stock rigidity under extreme cold. The synthetic material performs well in most conditions, but hunters working sub-zero environments sometimes prefer the added stiffness of carbon fiber platforms. This rifle suits the hunter who wants proven, tested precision over unproven innovation. Next on the list, a rifle that cuts bolt throw down to 60 degrees, and that changes everything about how fast a follow-up shot comes together. Number 2 on this list is the Browning X-Bolt 2-Speed LH. This rifle matters because it combines a 60-degree bolt throw with a fully modular stock system, giving hunters mechanical speed and physical customization in the same package. Browning did not just shorten the bolt throw for the sake of a spec sheet. The entire receiver was re-engineered to support it. Browning launched the X-Bolt 2 series with dedicated left-handed variants across its speed, hunter, and medallion configurations, addressing a gap that had existed in the lineup for years. The redesigned receiver includes additional bolt guidance surface area, which reduces bolt binding during full-length cycling compared to earlier X-Bolt generations. Here is the engineering decision that changed everything. The 60-degree bolt throw gives left-handed shooters mechanical clearance to cycle the action without the bolt handle contacting large-scope ocular housings, a problem that plagues traditional 90-degree actions when paired with high-magnification optics. This single change lets hunters run bigger glass without sacrificing cycling speed. The X-Bolt 2-Speed LH weighs 6.2 to 7.2 pounds, with barrel lengths from 22 to 26 inches. Compare that bolt throw against the Tikka T3X covered a moment ago, and the Browning cycles through a noticeably shorter arc, translating directly into faster follow-up shots on moving game. The patent-pending DLX trigger breaks at 3.5 pounds with 0 take-up and 0 creep, and the optional recoil hog brake cuts felt recoil by up to 70%. The Veritech stock adds adjustable length of pull, a height-adjustable cheek piece, and interchangeable grip modules. The trade-off is price. This rifle sits above budget-tier competitors, and the modularity that makes it so adaptable also adds cost that not every hunter needs. This rifle suits the long-range hunter who wants a fast cycling action paired with a stock built around their exact frame. The number 1 rifle on this list is not a turn bolt at all, and that is exactly why it earns the top spot. You have waited long enough. Here it is. Number 1 on this list is the Beretta BRX One. This rifle earns the top spot because it abandons turn bolt mechanics entirely, bringing military-derived linear straight pull technology into a mainstream hunting platform. Every other rifle on this list asks a left-handed shooter to operate a mirrored version of a right-handed design. The BRX One asks a different question. What if handedness was not fixed at all? Beretta built the BRX One around a modular bolt chassis that converts from right-handed to left-handed configuration in under 60 seconds, without a gunsmith and without specialized tools. The shooter removes the bolt carrier, depresses an internal retaining detent, flips the bolt handle to the opposite side, and rotates the bolt head 180 degrees to redirect the ejection path. No other rifle in this lineup offers that kind of field-adjustable identity. Here is the engineering decision that changed everything. The locking mechanism uses a rotating bolt head with 8 locking lugs for standard chamberings and 16 lugs arranged in dual rows for Magnum cartridges, locking directly into a cold hammer-forged barrel extension. Because the scope rail mounts to that same barrel extension rather than the receiver, hunters can swap barrels and calibers without losing zero on their optics, something no bolt-action rifle on this list can claim. The BRX One weighs 7.1 to 7.8 pounds, heavier than the Tikka T3X's 6.4 pounds and the Browning X-Bolt 2's 6.2-pound baseline. That added weight buys cycling speed. Target reacquisition on the BRX One runs 0.5 to 1 second, nearly 4 times faster than a standard turn bolt action, and noticeably quicker than the 1 to 1.8 second reacquisition times posted by the dedicated left-handed turn bolt actions covered earlier in this list. The trade-off is weight and price. This is not the rifle for a hunter, counting every ounce on a backcountry pack-in, and the ambidextrous engineering carries a cost premium over dedicated single-handed platforms. This rifle earns the #1 position because it does not compromise for left-handed shooters. It eliminates the compromise entirely. Where the Tikka and the Browning represent the pinnacle of dedicated left-handed engineering, the BRX One represents something built beyond handedness altogether. And that distinction is what separates a great left-handed rifle from the rifle that makes handedness irrelevant. Left-handed hunters no longer settle for a rifle built around someone else's hands. In 2026, the engineering finally caught up to the shooter. Which of these 7 would you actually put in your gun safe this season? Drop your pick in the comments and tell us what you are hunting with it. Subscribe if you want firearms breakdowns built on verified specs and documented history, not marketing copy.